Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Subway. My name is Pulkit and today we're going to review Xiaomi's mid-range flagship phone, which was launched in India 2 months back with Android One and dual cameras. So let's get started. Just in case if you are wondering what all we get inside the box, here is a quick unboxing. We get the smartphone itself, the charger, the USB Type-C connector, the user manual, and a back cover. So we'll start with the design of this phone. Now Xiaomi has already used this same design theme with the Redmi Note 5 series. The most prominent design begins the dual cameras on the rear like the Redmi Note 5 Pro and has a vertical orientation with LED flash. It also has a circular fingerprint sensor and Xiaomi branding in the end. To the front we've got 18:9 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with 2160x180p resolution, and it has got pixel density of 403 ppi. The display is protected by 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5 and has a generous amount of bezels above and below it, including notification light, a earpiece, and the 20-megapixel selfie camera. Towards the right we have volume rocker and power key, and towards the left we've got the dual SIM tray setup, which means you can use 2 SIM cards on this phone. Towards the chin we have a USB Type-C charging port and the speaker grills on left and right side. But guys, it only have a single speaker at the right side. And people who are angry with the omission of 3.5mm jack, Xiaomi has added a Type-C converter in the box, just in case if you want to use your earphones. In our opinion, the Mi A2 looks better than the previously launched affordable phones by Xiaomi. Maybe because of the metallic build, rounded corners, and chamfered side edges. Yes, a 19:9 screen with higher screen to body ratio and a 3.5mm jack would have been more appreciated. Now let's come back to the display quality. The display is bright enough for any smartphone of this price bracket. But I'm not much impressed with the display in direct sunlight. Not sure if it has to do with the auto brightness sensor, but for some reason I've always had issues with the display settings. Also, the company has not incorporated color modes such as warm, cool, and others, so the users can adjust the color temperatures as per their needs and surroundings. Also, if I talk about the contrast levels, the display is average when compared with the competition such as Realme 2 Pro. Now let's move to technical specification. It comes with 2.2 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, coupled with 4 GB of RAM and Adreno 512 GPU. It also comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and an IR blaster. Now A2 has a USB Type-C port, which is based on USB 2.0, and all this is powered by 3010 mAh battery. It also comes with quick charge support, but you will have to buy the charger separately. Sadly, it doesn't have an option of micro SD card. However, all the connectivity options and the sensors are present in this smartphone. Now let's talk about the software, which is one of the best selling points of this smartphone. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, which is why the phone is lag-free and you don't get any bloatware. The UI is fluid, Not as fluid as Oxygen OS found on the OnePlus 6, but you do not see any lag or frame drops in day-to-day usage. Also, if I talk about the RAM management, it was good for the most part. We also tried gaming on the smartphone and we did not have any issues with this device. So just in case, if you love playing games on your smartphone, you don't have to worry about the heating issues or the frame drops. You'll love the gaming experience on this one. If I talk about my calling experience, I had no issues with this smartphone. There were no call drops and the call reception was great, just like any other Xiaomi smartphone. Now as said, it also comes with a fingerprint sensor. And it works fine and is accurate 9 out of 10 times. But it does take a fraction of a second for the screen to wake up. But I hope this gets sorted with a future update. Now let's talk cameras. The smartphone comes with a dual setup of 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 sensor, along with a 20 megapixel Sony IMX376 sensor. Xiaomi has equipped both sensors with an identical 1.75 aperture lens for better low light performance. Now during our testing, we found out that the images captured with this smartphone turned out to be really awesome. The secondary lens worked really well when we captured images with depth effect. Here are some sample shots just to show how good the camera is. The images are vibrant, sharp, and there is ample amount of detail. The images captured in low lighting or artificial lighting also seems okay. And you can see good amount of detail even when you zoom the pictures clicked in such conditions. Also we should admit, given the competition, there is no other camera which comes this close in low light shots. The Mi A2 also comes with 20 megapixel selfie camera. And the selfies turned out to be really great, whether taken in indoors or outdoors. And you also get the portrait mode for the front camera. You can see me having some fun with my selfies. As far as the video quality is concerned, the video quality is good with the front camera. Here is a sample shot. Recording this part of the video with the front camera of Xiaomi A2. Let me know what you feel about the video in the comment section below. Also, the phone microphone is being used to record the audio. However, the video quality is just average if you're using the rear camera. The video is on the softer side, and here's a sample shot for the one recorded in 4K. I also recorded the same video with 1080p resolution, and here's a sample shot. The music output from this device is great too, via the new USB Type-C port. Plug in your earphones with the Type-C converter and you'll enjoy the music on this one. Also, if I talk about the output from the single speaker, it is fairly loud. and the quality of the music it produces is really good. Now let's talk about battery life. Now, as previously mentioned, the phone comes with quick charge support and a battery capacity of 3010 mAh. But the company does not give a quick charger, plus the battery life is average on this device. It is certainly not class leading and it hardly manages to last our entire workday without a quick top-up. So if you are a heavy user, then don't forget to carry your power bank with yourself. Now finally, we feel it is actually a great offering by Xiaomi. Metallic design with a powerful processor along with great cameras, the promise of security and software updates from Android One, it really seems to be a great deal. The only con which I feel is the battery life, the video quality from the rear camera and the old 18:9 display panel. Also, I believe the pricing of the device is bang on. The only worthy competitor for these devices are Motorola One Power and Realme 2 Pro. But I guess we all know the importance of Android One in this deal. Also, Mi A2 low light shots stand out from the competition. So guys, decide for yourself. If you want great software experience with great cameras and you can manage all this with average battery life, then I believe Mi A2 is the best choice. And guys, this was it from our today's video. Hit the like button in case you liked the review. Also post in your suggestions or queries in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Bye for now.